been drinking tonight?
I just got a ride.
You've been drinking tonight, sir.
I'm a captain on the police department.
What police department?
Oklahoma City.
Turn the camera off.
What division? Stay in your vehicle. Get back in your car.
I'm
Drunk?
no, I'm the captain.
Huh? A what?
Captain.
Of what? Don't reach in your pocket. Get back in your car. 116, show me 10-6 on Henry Lincoln Edward 497. Have a seat.
I will. I'm not.
Oh my gosh.
You been drinking tonight?
I just got a ride.
You've been drinking tonight, sir.
I'm a captain on the police department.
What police department?
Oklahoma City.
Turn the camera off.
What division?
Investigations.
What are you doing pulling in here?
My mom and I stay here.
You been drinking?
Oh my gosh. He knows he messed up. He knows it's over.
How much we had to drink tonight, sir?
He looks belligerent. Turn the camera off.
Please.
Huh?
Turn the camera off.
I'm not turning my camera off.
Okay.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're not going to get a return on it. How much we drink tonight, sir?
I was at a poker game.
Uh-huh. Because you're swerving all over me when you turn off
Oh my
your
gosh.
signal.
I'm sorry.
How much you drink at your poker game?
Not much.
Not much? How much is not much?
I don't know.
Beer? Liquor? How
Beer.
many beers?
3 or 4.
3 or 4? How long ago was that?
It's been going on a while.
How long ago did you drink your last beer, sir?
What time is it now?
It's 0140.
Midnight.
You think you should drive it?
No, but I came from 4 blocks.
Your mom lives here.
I live here.
You live here.
Yes.
What's in the rear of your vehicle? You got any weapons or anything on you?
I do not, sir.
Just turn around and let pass you down real quick.
Go ahead. Do what you need to do. I promise you I'm not a problem.
Okay.
Shut my door.
I'll shut it for you. Just hang out there at the rear of your Chevy.
I wonder what's going through this cop's mind right now. Is he considering like letting him
What
go?
investigations are you with?
Homicide and assault.
Yeah, over there.
Yes, sir.
You know Lieutenant Britton?
Then there shouldn't be any discussion
Yeah.
as to whether it should be available to.
He's a good man. I like him.
He is. He works for Jermaine.
Jermaine Johnson?
Yes.
Jermaine's a good man, too.
He is.
Hang out right there, sir.
I don't know how I feel about that. Like, you know,
Just stand with your feet together, hands down by your side.
I don't think anyone's above the law,
Hands
right?
down by your side, please.
He of all people should know he shouldn't be driving if
Straight ahead,
he's,
you see the
you
tip of
know,
my pen, sir?
drinking
I
that
do.
I
much.
want you to follow the tip of my pen without moving your head, okay? Don't move your head, sir.
I mean, he's obviously like drunk.
Come over here where it's a little bit more level. You having those shoes and need cause you from keeping your balance or anything?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Okay. I'm going to demonstrate for you first. While I'm demonstrating, I want you to stand with your feet together, hands down by your side, just like this. All right, sir? What's your name?
Matt French.
Matt French. Mr. French, stand just like that for me.
Okay.
When I tell you to begin, okay, I'm just going to demonstrate for you first. I want you to pick a foot of your choosing. It doesn't matter if it's your left or your right foot.
I'm familiar.
And I want you to lift it approximately 6 inches off the ground. And while you look at your toe, I want you to count by 1,000s, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. At any point in time, you lose your balance or your foot touches the ground, just go ahead and pick your foot back up and continue to count, okay?
I mean, good thing for this cop is, like, still doing his job, right? He's still doing his job.
You may begin.
1,000.
Oh.
Keep
Sir,
going.
can you turn that off?
I cannot, sir.
Please.
I know you're aware of our body cam policy. You know I cannot turn off this body cam.
I do, but I'd like to talk to you.
I can't do that, sir.
Please. Please. I'd like to talk to you.
Well, are you going to do the test or not?
Will you please talk to me?
I'll talk to you once we're
You
done.
can turn it off, you can turn it on.
I can turn it off once I'm done with my investigation, sir.
Okay. I'm asking you. I'm a captain on the police department.
I understand that, sir.
You're not above the
I am a
law,
sergeant who's a
though.
police officer, and
I
I've
am
taken
not.
an oath to uphold the law.
I
don't show favoritism to anyone, regardless. I don't care if you're a gangbanger or the president of the United States.
Sir, I'm not asking you for that.
If I was to treat you differently than I was to treat like some Southside loco or some pedo, how's that look on me?
Okay, I'm not asking you for that.
Because I wouldn't do that for any of them.
I mean,
please.
good for this cop for, like, standing up for himself, honestly.
Are you going to do the test or not, sir?
I will. I will do whatever you ask.
Okay, once we complete the test, I'll turn off my body camera once I'm done with my investigation.
Okay.
You want to try that again?
I will.
All right, you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, please.
Gosh.
Please. I'm asking you.
I can't do that.
Okay.
He's asked a million times.
So we're not going to do the test?
We will.
Okay, because you keep stopping. Okay, let's try another test then.
Who is this?
One of my partners.
Who is it?
Not sure. Can't tell with the lights on. No, it's Officer Kitch. You're familiar with the walk and turn?
I am.
Okay. While I demonstrate the walk and turn for you, I want you to stand with your left foot in front of your right foot, okay? Left foot in front of your right foot, heel to toe, hands down by your side. Can you do that for me, sir?
You want left foot in front of the right?
Yes, sir. Hands down by your side. Okay. Attempt to hold that position while I demonstrate for you. You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll say that's 9. On your 9th step, without lifting your lead foot, you're going to pivot like so.
Honestly,
9 heel-to-toe steps, counting each step out loud, back the way you came.
this cop is kind of giving him a little bit more extra grace than usual. Like, he's, like, trying to help him by giving him more tests, you know what I mean? To, like, give him a chance to, like, try and pass a test, maybe, but, you know, he's conflicted, but he's still doing his job. What do you guys think?
Go ahead and turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back.
Do
Are you
you...
gonna arrest me, sir?
Yes, I am.
Can I talk to you?
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back, sir.
I personally don't think anyone's above the law. What do you guys think? Do you think that the arresting officer
Yeah, we'll turn the camera off now.
did well and did his,
I like
Yeah, do you think the arresting officer did his job and like upholded the law? Do you commend him for it? I personally commend him for it. I don't think anyone's above the law. Uh, Obviously, this guy shouldn't have been driving. So, what do you guys think of this situation? Um, Comment below, discuss below, and yeah, bye guys.